Welcome to Our Ventures. We're Joe and Sharon. In this series, we'll be exploring the Midwest in our new Ford F-250 that we affectionately call Big Red.
Join us as we try new foods, craft beverages, get our kicks on Route 66, and stay in the most unique Airbnbs. We will be posting a new episode each Thursday. Hope you could join us on our adventures.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go.
We're currently heading on a road trip to the Midwest. We're going to be checking off 6 more states off of our list that we've never been to, so we're so excited about that. And plus, we're visiting 2 states that we have been to, so this is going to be quite a big road trip.
Yeah. First trip in Big Red, our new Ford F-250 we just bought. Beautiful truck so far, I love it.
Anyway, the truck is really comfortable, and we're so excited because have been in a car for so long.
We've been in a car our whole life doing these trips.
Yeah.
It's been horrible. Really cramped. I mean, we made it happen. It was tough, but we made it happen.
Yeah, we did it. Now we just have to worry about gas prices, but
yeah, it's a 48-gallon tank in here, guys. So it's going to be, I'm guessing, $200 to fill it up. Ouch.
Oh, we're at the gas station right now. We'll let you know how much it is.
Yeah.
Anyway, stay tuned. We will be heading to Cleveland, Ohio, and we're going to one of my favorite Christmas movies, House.This, and we will bring you with us.
See you guys there.
So we're here at the Christmas Story House.
Cleveland, Ohio.
We've been here before. We actually took our son when he was little, but we loved it so much. So when we were driving this way, we knew we had to come and check it out again. So we will bring you on the tour with us.
See you inside the house.
You'll shoot your eye out. Do you know what Ralph just said? Yes, that. Do you know where he heard it? He heard it from your son. So our next stop is the Great Lakes Brewing Company
because we love beer.
Exactly. I like their beer, so I'm excited to try it. It's some of their new ones that we've never tried. We'll bring you with us.
See you inside.
So guys, we've been driving around for a while trying to find some of the famous Cleveland, Ohio restaurants, and we haven't done very well.
No, it's been pretty frustrating actually.
Yeah.
Mostly because of Google Maps.
I don't even know. Like, we really did track down the one place, but we couldn't find it. So I don't know what's going on. But anyway, we're at Slymans, which they're known for their corned beef. I'm not a corned beef person, but we're gonna give it a try.
Try it.
So we'll show you our food. Sorry.
So guys, we just ordered our sandwiches from Slymans here in Cleveland. I got the corned beef melt. Sharon got the turkey melt. These sandwiches are supposed to be legendary in this area, so let's see. The unboxing. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, it's like 2 pounds of corned beef. Legit. What? Look at that. Are you kidding me? This is enough corned beef to feed an army. It's like a Katz's Deli's New York deli sandwich.
How are you gonna eat that,
But
hon?
it's only 13 bucks. Katz's, I think, are like 30. Yeah, there's no way we're eating all this in one shot. Mmm.
Delicious.
Mm-hmm. The toasted rye bread, corned beef, and mustard. It's out of this world, I gotta say. It's unbelievably good.
I don't normally like corned beef, but I'm gonna give this a try because it's the thing to do when you're in Cleveland. So let's see.
What do you think?
It's good. It tastes like roast beef almost. I want to get some of that mustard on it.
It's a win.
Good.
She's gonna do the turkey melt unboxing,
It's the same.
unwrapping.
It's the same bread,
It's the toasted rye
and
bread.
it's just as big. Holy cow! I don't even know how I could hold this.
OMG.
It's crazy.
Is it amazing?
It's better.
Wow. It looks really good.
They're both really good. They make some amazing sandwiches.
We see why this is a local icon here, guys.
It was worth it after our crazy drive. Like, one of the places I picked out is closed on Thursdays. I don't understand that. And then another place, we couldn't find it. And it's like the most popular place in Ohio. Still couldn't find it. So anyway, everything happens for a reason. We stumbled across this one, and they're pretty amazing. Except now I'm going to be a hot mess. I got stuff all over me. It's okay. And I hate eating in the car.
Yep. You
But
gotta do what you gotta do.
the best place is you always have to eat in the car. Well, only because they were closing at 2:30. They close very early, and it's like 2:15. So that's why we have to eat in the car.
We made it.
Anyway, come check this place out when you're here.
So guys, we just got done here at Slymans. The corned beef sandwich and the turkey melt. I mean, food coma. I mean, it was like 3 pounds of meat on each of those sandwiches. You really get your money's worth here.
You do. You definitely do.
And it is amazing flavor on those foods.
So we had a great time visiting Cleveland. We were only here for a couple hours. It's kind of just our stop to break up our drive. And now we are heading to Iowa. And you'll see that vlog next week. So stay tuned.
See you there. We started out our Midwest road trip with a stop in Cleveland, Ohio, to visit the Christmas Story House. This house is open to the public 7 days a week. You can stay overnight, which we plan on doing in the future. Our next stop was Great Lakes Brewing Company. We had flights and enjoyed all their beers. We struggled to find good food until we found Slymans Restaurant and Deli. We had an OMG moment when we had their amazing corned beef and roasted turkey sandwiches. Incredible. Cleveland was a great start to our Midwest road trip. What an amazing place to stop. Be sure to join us next week as we tour Pella, Iowa for their incredible Tulip Festival. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit that button and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more of our adventures. We love having you along.
It's a long.